Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys my best review about a market broker. This is the one of the best broker in the world. I want to recommend you guys today to participate, to join this particular broker because I have experienced a lot of things with them. Everything about them is legit and they are well regulated. Let me show you something right now in this particular page. And if you're new member to my YouTube channel here, try to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right. So can you see on this particular area? You can see this company is being operating around what 2007. That is a long time period. All right, can you see guys, this is one of the best thing I just like about this particular platform. And you can see right now, you can see number two is that they have an instant and commission free deposit. You can see, and can you see regular bonus offer and promotion? Can you see leverage is up to 1.3 ratio? All right, can you see they offer euro USD BTC account? You can even trade crypto, you can trade stock market, and you see, and spread is what from 0.2 and other acquisition from 0.003. Wow guys, you guys are just, this is the one of the best broker I want to recommend to you guys today. All right, so let me even show you something right now what they are for clients like you and me. What they are, can you see when you click on this particular area? All right, you can see, can you see on this particular area, you can see something they have for clients here is that I'll show you right now so that you guys can see here. Can you see they have a main trade idea that they normally give you when you join their broker. All right, and expert advisor, trading hours, can you see, and quarterly analysis review and VPS hosting. That is, this is all what they have for you guys. You can see, and rollover, you can see, and technical every single day. They also when you join their Telegram group, they also give you guys a technical analysis every single day for you guys to know where the market is going and where you can enter and where you can exit from the market. All right, can you see this is all what have, can you see leverage and trade of the week. Can you see trader circular? This company also work on weekend. Yes, they trade crypto. If you want to trade crypto like BTC, ETH every single week, like Saturday, Sunday, this company is also trade crypto. If you want to trade crypto, all right, on this particular platform, right? They also have copy trade for that. For those of you guys maybe don't want to, you don't know anything about forex, you can also leverage on their copy trade and start making as well. All right, so I'll be showing you guys tutorial step by step how you can do copy trade on this particular YouTube channel, so you guys can understand. Can you see, and sentiment indicator, trade analyze. All right, this is all what, can you see, this is one of the best broker I want to recommend. And you can see on Trustpilot as well, they have 4.8. Can you see, can you see this is one, wow, can you see, just, can you see excellent on Trustpilot? They have a good review on Trustpilot. Can you see, you can see all good times. You can see this is all what they have on Trustpilot, guys. This is one of the best broker I want to recommend you guys to just key in right now. You can see for client they have, this is all what they have for you guys today. This is the trading. Can you see on their trading they have can you see trending forex, metal, cryptocurrency? This is all what they have for you guys. Indices, stock. Can you see, can you see everything? Can you see MT4, MT5, a market app? Can you see a market app on Android, on iPhone? Can you see, you can, for investor, you can just, this is all what they have for you guys. Can you see, this is one of the best review about this, and their withdrawal is free, no charges of depositing, no charges for withdrawal. This is the why I just love this particular. If you enjoyed this video so far, just give me a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's key into this particular project. Let's make money in 2024, guys. This is one of the best review. And if you want to even register, let me just show you how to register right now on this particular video. So if you want to register right now, guys, this is, can you see, just come to this particular area. You can see, you can just click on start now if you want to register your account. All right, so if you want to register right now, just come to click on start now. When you click the link down below, you click on start now. Then make sure you just put your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, then open an account. You are good to you guys. This is one of the best broker I recommend to you guys to join right now. and start making money in forex, crypto. You can trade anything here in this particular platform. All right, so guys, see you guys in my next coming video. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.